So to get started, do a search for MCUXpresso or use the bit.ly link right there. You'll log in using some ID that you already have, or you create one at the NXP website. And then once you've logged in, you'll be able to download the version that you need for MCUXpresso, either the Windows or Linux or Mac version of the IDE. Click that, go for coffee, come back in a few minutes. Click on the installer that has downloaded, click through it. It'll take up some space on your hard drive, and you'll probably have to type in your password for your computer. After that, you got to go search for the application inside of your computer's program directory or application directory. It'll be somewhere in there, depending on your computer. So in Applications on the Mac, then I scroll down to where it says MCUXpresso, and I'm going to look for the binary file somewhere in here. There you go, it's right there. I can drag it onto my dock at the bottom of the screen or a shortcut somewhere. Anyways, double click on it. It'll ask for some default location to store your files and your projects. Choose whatever you want. It's up to you. And then it will load up. The IDE itself is free, and it requires a connection to network connections because it can download software development kit or board support packages for the various chips and boards that you use. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is import SDKs for your system. Now there's a helpful screen that allows you to choose them graphically, but most of the ones that are installed by default are the LPC versions. If you need to get a Freedom board, you'll have to go to a website that clicks through just like I just did, where it says Freedom board or one of the other types of boards. You scroll through here, we look for some link, say under MCU boards, and here you try and select the board that you want to. So in our class we're using the KL43, but you could be using the KL25, which is a really common one as well. And then you look around here for the information on it. And we'll complete this in the next video.